A year ago, environmentalists had wrote to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to halt felling of deodar trees in Dharali area of Uttar Kashi. Dharali was recently hit by massive avalanche of debris. Trees play a crucial role in reducing the impact of natural calamities and help mitigate the damage downstream. The event likely involved detachment of unconsolidated glacial deposits perched roughly above 7 km upstream. Cloudburst may have triggered the disaster. The velocity of debris was 6 to 7 meters per second, capable of damaging or destroying any structure. This disaster was largely due to felling of trees for expansion of road, as well as the government took less care about the unconsolidated glacial deposits. Friends, please subscribe my small new channel to motivate me. Thank you.